Alright, so these are going to be the guest elevators here at the Four Seasons in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania at the Comcast Center. And these are Schindler elevators. I believe these are Schindler 7000s, but I cannot confirm that at this time. We're going to 57 since we can't go below 57. See the floors are locked off because those are guest levels. These are not as fast as the express elevators. These only serve, what, 3, 6, 9, 12 floors. Go back up to 60. And here we're back at 60. Guess we're taking the ride down to 57, get a cab view going down. Door close does not work. These have very nice cabs. I really love the cabs in these elevators. Got a big mirror in the back. Hey. Here are 57. These are your, I believe, echo buttons, but I'm not 100% sure. For some reason, the alarm button is lit. Your floor indicator capacity is 3,500 pounds. Alright. We'll go back up to 60 and then up there. And here we are back at 60. Very nice elevators. But not as fast as the express elevators, obviously. There goes the elevator, and that will be it.